Hey friends, let's talk essential oils. I am so excited to share my favorite oils with you. They are the Pura essential oil set. Oh, guys, they smell amazing. I wish I can give you a sample of the smell through the video, but it doesn't work like that. I love that they come in this little box. It really helps to keep them organized and all in one place. So what I do is I just keep my favorite up front. That way I can just quickly grab them. There are 16 bottles in here, guys, so you have a lot of oil options. Like I said, they smell great. They're 100% pure, organic. They're just very good quality. I love them. You can mix them to create different scents. In your oil diffusers, you have your common scents like lavender, tea tree. One of my favorites is the Lang Lang, lemongrass, also turmeric and tangerine are also my favorites. I love them. Those smells are just so good. Guys, if you're considering these oils, stop thinking about it. Go ahead, put it in your cart, try them out. I think you're honestly gonna love them. They just smell really good and clean. I've had some bad oils before that were just bitter. Just not it, guys. But that has not been the case with this oil set. Not to mention, it makes a great gift as well. Go ahead, try them out. I think you will love them.